Homemade dog food PLR. Safer, healthier dog food. Healthy homemade dog food PLR. Front end offer. Healthy homemade dog food includes 9 articles on dog food and nutrition. Is commercial dog food safe? Short guide of 16 words. 15 tips to help your pudgy pup lose weight. 610 words. 20 toxic foods for dogs. Homemade dog food and snacks recipe book with 30 recipes including beef, chicken, pork, turkey and fish dinners plus snacks. Included in this PLR package are 10 posters. Upsell offer includes keep your dog healthy and safe. PLR package includes 6,000 plus word ebook, 12 articles of 400 to 500 words each. 21 autoresponder series of 100 to 150 words each, 12 tweets, 8 social media updates 50 to 100 words each, and 5 meme. Downsell includes a nearly 5,000 word not ebook. Pick the perfect pup. Facts about the dog market in the United States. Below are a few facts you can swipe to convince your subscribers to download our PLR products. $63 billion, yes that's right, billion on their pets each year, with the biggest chunk going to dogs. Over 50% of households in the United States include a dog. Nearly 78 million dogs in the US are pets. The growth trend is increasing. The amount spent by each household has increased 25% from 5 years ago. More city dwellers are becoming dog owners. Pet safety products are becoming more popular. Healthy homemade dog food PLR. Safer, healthier dog food.